Good morning, I'm meteorologist Brandon Lawrence, and we've got a lot of weather to talk about across the nation. We've got fires still burning in Northern California, and as a low pressure system is starting to build in off the San Francisco coast, we could usher in more dry air for that, which is not going to help those firefighters battle that blaze. Heavy rain in the southwest has caused flash flooding concerns across southern New Mexico and all the way over into central Texas, and the rain isn't over just yet. But around the rest of the nation, we've got the first full day of fall today, and it's got gorgeous conditions across the Midwest and the eastern seaboard, and that's going to make for a great work week. Now, this is a satellite image of King, California. This was sent to us by Tyler Young, and I'll put this in perspective for you. Here's the coast of California around the San Francisco-Oakland region. Here's where the fire is burning, and over 80,000 acres of land has been burned. We've got firefighters from all over the U.S. helping battle that, but again, those drier conditions still going to be ushering in. Now, they're hoping for drier conditions to usher into the southwest as more rain is falling across central and southern New Mexico. Albuquerque been picking up on a lot of that rain all the way into El Paso. Even places like Austin and San Antonio picking up on some of those flash flooding concerns, and the rain is not over yet. In fact, we've got more rain on the way for places like New Mexico all the way into the panhandle of Texas. Now, they've seen over 5 to 10 inches of rain in some places, and more on the way. Here's our predictor that's going to tell you by Wednesday at 12 p.m. we could pick up on over another inch of rain in southern New Mexico. So again, that's not what we're looking for. We're wanting the drier air to come in. We were in a drought and we wanted a little bit of rain, but this has been too much, causing this flash flooding concerns. Up to 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch still possible across Albuquerque. That's going to change over the next couple of days. You'll notice on our satellite and radar image, some clouds going to help filter that rain and help diminish it over the next 24 hours, and that's going to help usher in some high pressure and drier conditions. The Great Plains also picking up on some soggy weather. Places like Omaha into southern South Dakota and Des Moines, Minneapolis, St. Paul, even down into Kansas City, you could pick up on some of those showers as well later on today. Also seeing some rain along the Carolina coast into Charleston and Wilmington, North Carolina, but the rest of the nation not seeing anything in the way of rainfall, just the gorgeous conditions, a bit cool in some locations. We've got the 60s into the lower 70s in some locations, even into the 50s across the Northeast. 56 degrees right now, the current temperature. And down in the Peach State in Atlanta, they're definitely picking up on the autumn-like conditions as well. It is 70 degrees right now, and they've got a bit of a breezy morning so far. The dew point sitting at 54 degrees. So again, when the dew point gets down into those lower 50s, it's going to feel fantastic over the next couple of days in Atlanta and all across the rest of the nation. And I'll time that out for you with our predictor. By tonight, notice we'll see the chance for some clouds starting to build again over the Great Plains region over the next couple of days. That rain going to push up the eastern seaboard again. This is Saturday at 6 a.m. Notice those showers going to continue all the way up to New York and into the New England. So again, eastern seaboard, you may pick up on some rain this week, but rest of the nation looking very nice. The high pressure by the weekend going to filter into the desert southwest, and that's going to help evaporate some of that rain that we've seen on the ground, and hopefully those flash flooding concerns will be over by this weekend. And then I want to point this out to you. Another system starting to form off the coast of California. Could that bring a little rain to Northern California? That's definitely what we're hoping for to help those firefighters out. Have a great week and a great first weekend of autumn.